Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of y'all who don't know me, hi, I'm Ashwarya. So today I'm gonna be trying to make some Korean dishes. So I have been like scrolling on YouTube so much and like looking at mukbangs and stuff, and I got like super tempted to try the Korean dishes. So I'm like, let's just give it a try. So I'm just gonna try like the noodles because that's like the most common thing I've seen, and it's just the most tempting thing. So I'm in a very like productive mood, and I'm sorry I didn't post. Like, I'm posting really abruptly because of like all like studies and everything. I'm so sorry. So let's just get right into it.
So our first dish is ramen noodle soup.
Okay, so for our first recipe, I'm going to be making the noodles at home, but you can use Maggi or ramen noodles or whatever you have at home. So I started by adding 2.5 cups of maida with then I took half cup of water and I took 2 eggs. If you guys are vegetarians, it's okay, you can just use starch and make a normal dough. Yeah, I added 2 eggs to my water. I cracked open 2 eggs and then just whisk your eggs up with your water, and then my favorite part comes. Yeah, so now you're gonna form a volcano sort of a thing and put your egg in the middle. So I was really scared that I would spill it all over, but it was fine. Yeah, then you just start mixing your eggs into your flour to make a dough. Also, you also please add like 1 teaspoon of 1 teaspoon of salt, because I forgot to add it, but yeah, it still did taste bad, but add it differently. Yeah, then just form it into a dough. Also, let me know if you all want like a vegetarian recipe, because I literally don't mind making this again. I loved it. I loved it. Okay guys, so my dough is ready, but she didn't mention if the dough should be like a bit sticky or like it should be like hard. I'm going to cling wrap this and put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Overacting. Yeah, then just take a rolling pin after like an hour, after the hour is done. Take a rolling pin, roll your flour dough into like a very thin layer, okay, and then start cutting in your strips, which should be really thin, and then we just add it into hot boiling water and boil it for approx 10 minutes. Yeah, also add 1 teaspoon vinegar and salt to your water when you're boiling it. Okay guys, so now I will be boiling my egg, which I want to put upar se. Yeah, thanks dad. Oh, it's new, that's so good.
We're boiling the egg with wine in it.
No, not boiling it with wine in it. I'm gonna add some wine to marinate it. I'm gonna add some wine and some soy sauce. Yeah. Then now we start with the second step. So again, this is the egg wala step. So you just need to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of wine. They added sake, but I didn't have that. It's some Korean alcohol, but I didn't have that, so I added cooking wine. Okay, now we're making the soup. Oh yeah, I marinated my egg for approx 5 to 6 minutes. Yeah, then I'm just adding 3 tablespoons of sesame oil.
Now I'm gonna add some garlic. I added approx 2 cloves of garlic.
Then I add my soy sauce. I think it was 3 tablespoons soy sauce. Yeah, now that is vegetable broth or vegetable stock. So what you have to do is you can take normal water. I added 4 cups of vegetable broth, but you can add 4 cups of water. That doesn't really matter. Yeah, and then just get it to a boil. Okay, then I added my chili sauce. You can add any chili sauce you have at home. I added chili and garlic sauce. Add it as per your taste. Yeah, now we're going to saute our vegetables. So I put approx 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and then I added my garlic powder because I love garlic sauce, garlic paste, and then I added all my vegetables in. I added mushrooms, onion, corn, and beans. Also I added approx 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we're gonna add in our soup in the vegetables and again get it to a boil. Okay, yeah, and then we're gonna add our soup into our noodles. This lighting is so bad, you know, my this thing was like so much darker in real life. Okay, now we're starting with our next recipe. So I'm gonna be making rice cakes. You can skip this part
if you want to.
So I took 2 cups of rice flour. Don't take 2 cups, guys. Take half cup only. Abhi tak pada hai. And I added some water, boiling water. Okay, add boiling water. Then I just put it into the microwave with what is this known as? Cling wrap on it. Yeah, it's steaming hot. So yeah, now we just need to form it into dough. It was really hot, so I started going in with a spoon and then beat it really hard. Okay. Yeah, then form it into a dough. Yeah, and then cut your rice cakes into small pieces. These kind of look like tampons, to be honest. Sorry for ruining it. Then you just need to boil your rice cakes in hot water for approx 5 minutes. Keep like stirring it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Then I just took some vegetables like onion, capsicum, etc., carrots, and just put whatever you want to. And then got that to a boil too. Then I added my ramen noodles. I had a packet that I bought from Dubai. I still had it, so I used that. But you can use your normal Maggi ka noodles and add chili sauce in this instead of that packet. Don't add Maggi ka packet now, please. I don't know how would that taste. Yeah, then I just boiled my noodles, and it was ready almost. It takes like, I think this whole recipe takes, I think, half an hour, and with rice cakes it takes approx 45 minutes. ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है. Yeah, then I grated cheese, my favorite part. Oh, मैं इसका एक सीन बताऊँ, पता है क्या हुआ? Literally just like 5 minutes later I broke that cheese ka container. That is the second container I'm using right here. Okay, I had like, we have like 3-4 same crockery. So that is my second glass. Or the first one I broke. इतना चिल्लाया मम्मी ने. Shit, मैं रोने लग गई थी. Then I added cheese and it looks so good. Wow. I want to eat it again. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. So let me know in the comment section if you want like a vegetarian recipe for this, or if you want me to try more recipes or just any recipe for you all. Yeah, that's it. So like, share, comment, subscribe, do everything, and watch my other videos if you're bored. Bye.